Dun dun na 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 na. Welcome to Cooking with Goose. I'm Goose. Today we're making chili. These are the things besides meat that we're going to be putting in the chili. Chili powder, chicken broth, black beans, celery, red onion, garlic, and baby carrot. To keep the meat tender and help it brown faster, mix a few teaspoons of baking soda into a few teaspoons of water and mix it into the meat a few minutes before you start to brown it. Whee! For our vegetables, we are either chopping them finely or we're putting them in the food processor. I'm going to put them in the food processor, starting with my carrots. Bye! Next, celery. You cut the tops and the bottoms of each of the celeries, like this. Oh, and don't forget to wash your celery before you do this. Take all that out. Next, you chop your celery into big chunks, like these. And you put them into the bucket. My dad's gonna do the onion. And last but not least, garlic. Peel it, chop the end off, and put it in. Boop. Next, chop your vegetables. Next is the meat. Warm a large pot on high heat. Next, brown your meat. Whee! Once the meat has browned, take it out and put the vegetables in. Once the vegetables have softened, add in the black beans and the meat. You can put these little chunks of carrots in too. Add your broth into the pot as high as the other ingredients. Simmer everything gently until it all softens. The chili is done simmering. Next, for my favorite part, seasoning! Season your chili with chili powder, salt, and other things you like. Some of the things might be ground cumin, paprika, or many more, like those. You might want to put a little bit of acid in your chili. There are a few different options. Some of these options are lemon, balsamic vinegar, and apple cider vinegar. I'm going to use balsamic. Serve it with some rice. Take some cheese. That's my bowl. Now it's time to try it. Wow, I want more. It's so hot, but it's so good. Thanks for making chili with me. Subscribe to see more. Comment down below for a favorite recipe for me to make. Now I'm going to stuff my face with chili. See ya! Dun 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 dun! Red onion, garlic, and baby carrots. Add your broth into your pot.